Then check out the MERACH Elliptical machine. Enjoy the various fitness courses through the MERACH app or KinoMap. Measure and check your workout data. Customize your workout with smooth and quiet 16-level magnetic resistance. With its doubled HED drive system, you'll get greater inertia and a more stable experience. Plus, its rear drive design simulates the natural movement path of human body. MERACH Elliptical exercise machine can be easily assembled within 30 minutes. Get the full body workout you've been looking for with the MERACH Elliptical machine.
Now you can bring better health into your life by bringing Schwinn into your home with the new Schwinn 411 Elliptical. If workout space is a problem, the 411 was built just for you. Featuring all the benefits of larger ellipticals, the 411 delivers a low-impact cardio workout at a fraction of the size while maintaining a full 18-inch stride. A streamlined console offers easy navigation and full-featured programming, including high-intensity interval training. Track important metrics like time, distance, calories, and more. Keep your heart happy by staying in the zone with Bluetooth heart rate tracking and heart rate controlled programming. With the 411's variable resistance, you can choose the level that's right for the moment. A convenient media tray allows you to zone out with books, music, podcasts, and more. Plus, the Schwinn 411 is compatible with Explore the World, the new fitness app that allows you to run around the world without ever leaving your home. Stay motivated by touring the majestic Valley of Fire or take in the sights of Zion. Smooth action, heart happy, cool comfort. Get a low-impact, full-body workout that takes up less space in your home with the Schwinn 411 Elliptical. Just one more way you can count on Schwinn for the good life.
Climb to new heights with the Premium Cardio Climber by Sunny Health and Fitness. Non-slip foot pads help secure your balance as you glide along the sturdy glide rails. Stride and climb in tandem as you engage in the magnetic belt drive tension. Engage in a total body workout with the full motion handlebars, or track your intensity instantly with the central pulse sensor grips. Keep track of your fitness progression on the performance monitor at any given time. Stay connected to all your favorite media with the device holder. Challenge yourself today with the Premium Cardio Climber.